Hello guys, good morning everyone. So ito tayo guys, nagpa-coffee pa tayo guys. Di ba? How are you all over there everyone? Let's have coffee guys. Nagkain-kain ba tayo guys? Kumusta ang morning niyo dyan guys? I hope you have a good morning din guys. Maganda ang gising, maganda ang tulog din sa gabi, di ba? So maganda ang morning guys, no? The result is good. You have a good morning, you have a good sleep. O, di ba? So nagkape pa tayo guys. Ang init ng kape ko. Yes! Oh, opo! May customer ako guys. So bye na muna tayo guys. Yun lang ang update natin today guys. Maraming salamat. So thank you for watching. Keep safe everyone and God bless us. Puntahan ko muna ang customer ko guys kasi mainit doon guys. So yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you. God bless us. Keep safe. We are here with Miming. Ayan si Miming guys. Hello everyone. So we are here with Miming. So hello guys. Ayan si Miming. Napataying-tingin sa taas. So we are here with Miming guys. So kung saan ako, andun din yan si Miming guys. As you can see what Miming. Ayan, napaka-sweet talaga to si Miming ko guys. So yun lang. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ming. So hello guys. So we are here with Miming. You see that Miming guys? Oh, very behave. Oh no! You don't do that. What are you looking for there, Ming? What you looking over there? Huh? Did you see something? Okay. Ming, thank you so much. You see that Miming guys? Oh wow. You so behave, Ming. You look so behave, Ming. Thank you so much. Ming, thank you so much. So hello guys. Good evening everyone. So kumusta kayo dyan guys? So ito tayo na I'm just relaxing at this moment guys. So dito muna ako guys kasi feel busog pa ako guys. So thank you anyway sa mga natin viewers natin kanina dyan. So maraming salamat. Thank you so much to all of you. God bless us everyone. Keep safe. Guys, kapit tayo guys. Ayun si Miming din. Miming guys, coffee daw kami guys. Wala kami ibang merienda. So Miming!